At Poulsbo, this is what's this church called? Something Lutheran. Looks like an old church. Has a really old graveyard. We have to find a way up there, huh? Look at that steeple. Isn't that gorgeous? And the stained glass windows, I don't know if you can actually see them very well. Right there. And we're going to go check out this graveyard. Looks like it's very old Pioneer graveyard. I'm going to turn you off and we're going to do another segment with the, because my battery's almost dead. So we're going to try to get the graveyard. But here's a view of the church and the steeple.